Hello, dear children. Good afternoon. Children, today we are going to learn our new lesson 4.4 Story Time. What do you see? Now, look at this picture. Observe this picture, children. What do we see in this picture? We see that it is a book. Yes? And what is there on the cover page of the book? Some of you might have seen this picture before also. But let me tell you what we can see in the picture. Yes, there is a chariot, and who is riding the chariot? He is Lord Krishna, and behind Lord Krishna is Arjun. Now, let's join together all the alphabets which are written on the book and read them together. M A H A B H A R A T. So, MAHABHARAT, when we join them together, we say Mahabharat. What do we say? Mahabharat. So, this is a story from Mahabharat. And what is Mahabharat, children? You must have heard this word before also. Yes? Mahabharat is an ancient epic. It is an Indian ancient epic. Epic means long poem. Now, Mahabharat means an Indian epic poem. And let me tell you, this poem was written by Sage Vyas, and it is the longest poem in our history. Children, Mahabharat is all about the 5 brothers, Pandavas, and the 100 cousin brothers, Kauravas. Now, have you all heard about Pandavas and Kauravas? Let me tell you who were the 5 Pandavas in short. Pandavas were the 5 brothers: Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, and Sahadev. These were the 5 brothers who were called Pandavas, and they had 100 cousin brothers, all together called as Kauravas. So, Mahabharata is the story of the Pandavas and Kauravas who fought battle for the throne of Hastinapura. Hastinapura was a kingdom. Pandavas and Kauravas, both of them, they fought this battle to rule that kingdom. That kingdom was called as Hastinapura. So now, let's read and understand the story. Children, please listen what I read and explain. Okay? Arjun, the prince, his brothers and cousins were being trained in archery and warcraft by the great teacher Dronacharya. If you look, the person with a white beard who's sitting right in between is Guru Dronacharya. He was a great teacher, and whom was he teaching? He was teaching Arjun the prince. Arjun was one of the Pandavas. I told you all about the 5 brothers. Yes, they all 5 are Pandavas: Arjun, Yudhishthir, Bhim, Nakul, and Sahadev. And cousins means the Kauravas. They all were being trained in archery and warcraft by the great teacher Dronacharya. Now, archery means what? Archery means shooting with bow and arrow. And warcraft means what? Warcraft is the skill and knowledge of fighting a war. Okay? Skill means what? The ability to do something well. So, Arjun the prince, his brothers and cousins were being trained in archery and warcraft by the great teacher Dronacharya. Once, Dronacharya called his students. He said, I would like to see how you are practicing your archery skills. I will take a test. So, Dronacharya called all the students together. He placed a wooden parrot on a branch of a tree. He said, Now, all of you get ready with your bow and arrow for the test. Look at the wooden bird on the branch of the tree. You have to hit exactly his eye. All his students were excited. They stood in a line for the test. First came Bheem. He stretched his bow and set his arrow. Now, stretched means what, children? Stretch means what? To pull something. He stretched his bow and set his arrow. As he was about to shoot the wooden bird's eye, Dronacharya said, "Wait, Bheem, tell me, what do you see?" Bheem replied, "Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds, and the sun now." Dronacharya said, "Bheem, you will not shoot the wooden bird right now." Then came Yudhishthir. Dronacharya asked him the same question. "Tell me, what do you see?" Yudhishthir replied, "Guruji, I see the wooden bird, the branches, and the tree too." "No," said Dronacharya, "you are not ready to shoot yet." All the students were asked the same question, and they all told about many things they saw around. Now, what were the things they saw all around? They told about, they told that they could see the sky, the clouds, the sun, the tree, the branch, the wooden bird, and their friends too. But Dronacharya was not happy with their answers. He stopped everyone. Nobody got a chance to shoot the wooden bird. Finally, it was Arjun's turn. Arjun was very good at archery. When he came forward, Dronacharya asked him the same question. "What do you see, Arjun?" Arjun looked at the wooden bird and focusing on its eye, he replied, "Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird." "What else do you see?" asked Dronacharya. "Nothing else but the eye of the wooden bird. That is all I can see," replied Arjun. "Shoot," said Dronacharya happily, and Arjun shot the arrow. It hit the wooden bird's eye exactly. The bird, the wooden bird fell down. Dronacharya patted on Arjun's back and said, "Focusing on your goals helps you to achieve it." Now, Dronacharya patted on his back. Patted means what, children? To touch somebody lightly with your hand flat. And goals means what? To have an aim or to target something. So, finally, who achieved the target? Arjuna. Yes? So, I hope you all have enjoyed seeing and listening to this story. Thank you.